As a company, we ship globally, and customs is specific to each international destination. So we spend a lot of time focusing on this element. We're a startup, we're small, so we also have to be very mindful of the time it takes to keep on top of all the country-specific requirements. So we have to we're going to be really clear, and really clear in terms of the information that we provide the customer. It needs to be accurate, and it needs to support that process from start to finish.
The first question that comes up, especially with e-commerce as large as it is customs oftentimes is looking to substantiate the value that has been disclosed on the invoices. So certainly having a way to validate the value that has been declared, I think we see a lot of undervaluation. Again, especially, e-commerce is very booming right now and the volumes are tremendous. So I know customs is focusing a lot on proper validation and valuation, obviously because it does impact the import duties and taxes and the clearance process at destination. So I certainly think making certain that you have what appears to be a realistic value, and if not, if it's transfer or sale value that's different than possibly a sale value within country, just being certain that that's clearly documented and can be substantiated.
So if you're in the e-com space as a seller, the easier you make the customer experience, the better it's going to be. So again, ideally you want to take care of the duties and taxes, in my opinion, so that there are no surprises for your customer. So whether you choose to be a non-resident importer or you choose a DDP Incoterm so that the customs broker bills those charges back to you, both of those solutions can offer a seamless experience for the e-commerce customer.
Another area where we do see a lot of confusion, and probably our number one holdup of exporting shipments from the United States is either incomplete or missing export information. The number one critical piece of information is a very clear description. And if you do have it, the HTS number that goes along with it, obviously the 6-digit is helpful, but if you have the full HTS number, anytime you may have that, it is extremely helpful if you pass it along to us.
The first 6 digits of the HTS code are international, and the last 4 are going to be specific to the country that the goods are being imported into. So as Ken said, for some goods, there are US export requirements, but then the goods have to transcend the border, and then there are that country's import requirements. The first 6 digits should typically be the same. And then UPS, of course, as we mentioned, we have the tradability or the APIs on the ups.com site now that also can assist you in entering in your description to come up with a suggested HTS classification based on the information that you provide.
The automated export system is a joint venture between Census, CBP, and Department of State to capture, some very particular export information that is required. And in most cases, any shipment with a single commodity valued over $2,500 in AES filing is required. If there's any licensing or permits, and in some cases, if there's an ECCN number associated with the commodity or it is related to the ITAR, a filing will be required as well. UPS does allow the customer to file directly, and in most cases, if you do that, you would pass the ITN or the internal transaction number along to UPS along with your shipment information. But if not, we can make that filing on your behalf with a simple POA or power of attorney.